In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a line break within an Excel cell. Let's begin by accessing Microsoft's suite of online tools, including Excel, where you can create and edit spreadsheets directly in your web browser. To do this, go to the official Microsoft 365 online webpage. This is a fantastic resource offering free access to popular tools like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, alleviating the need for software installation on your device. Once you're on the website, the next step is to sign in to your Microsoft account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Click on the sign in link located typically at the top right corner of the page. This will prompt you to enter your Microsoft account details. After clicking sign in, you will be asked to type in your email. Make sure to enter the email associated with your Microsoft account correctly. This is crucial for accessing your Excel files stored in OneDrive or creating new spreadsheets in Excel Online. Once you have inputted your email, proceed by clicking Next. Following this action, you'll likely need to enter your password or possibly complete a two-factor authentication process, depending on your account's security settings. Now for the practical part of our tutorial. I'll be demonstrating this feature using a sample Excel file. For illustrative purposes, imagine we're working with a spreadsheet where you want to add multiple lines of text within a single cell. This function is particularly useful for adding clarity to your data or emphasizing certain points without expanding your table unnecessarily. Navigate to the Excel file of choice, which you can either select from your recent documents or by uploading a new file to OneDrive. In this example, let's proceed with a file I've previously prepared. Once your spreadsheet is open and ready to be edited, locate the cell you wish to add a line break in. Then double-click on this cell. This action will place your cursor inside the cell, allowing you to edit the content directly. Here's where the magic happens. To insert a line break in your cell, simply move your cursor to the point where you want the new line to start. On a Windows device, press Alt plus Enter. If you're using a Mac, you'll want to press Ctrl plus Option plus Return. This command instantly creates a new line within the same cell, allowing you to continue typing. This method is perfect for cases where your data is more complex or detailed and benefits from enhanced readability. Whether for addresses, lists, or elaborative notes, knowing how to efficiently manage and present your data in Excel can markedly improve your spreadsheet's overall utility and appearance. Remember, the beauty of Excel Online is that all changes are saved automatically, so there's no need to worry about losing your progress. Also, be mindful of cell width and height, as additional lines of text may affect the cell's display and subsequently your table's layout. You might need to adjust the row height or column width for optimal visibility, and that's how you add a line break within a cell in Excel. This simple yet powerful feature enhances your spreadsheet's readability and organization, ensuring that your data is presented clearly and efficiently. As always, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy Excel editing!